Have you ever wondered why some guys effortlessly attract women while others struggle to even get noticed? What if I told you that there are 4 secret steps backed by real science that can make any girl like you? These are not the cliches you've heard before, and I'm not talking about cheesy pickup lines or pretending to be someone you're not. In fact, these strategies are grounded in human psychology and have been proven to work no matter who you are or where you come from. Stick around till the end, because I'll reveal a game-changing tip that could totally transform your love life. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today we're diving deep into the 4 most powerful, scientifically backed steps that can make any girl instantly attracted to you. No more playing games, no more confusing advice, just actionable, real-world strategies that actually work. And by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to turn any first impression into a lasting connection. So let's get into it. But before we jump in, I want you to think about the last time you met someone new. Did they seem interested in you, or were they just being polite? How do you know the difference? Stay with me, and I'll give you the exact framework to not only stand out, but actually become someone they want to be around. Step 1, master your inner confidence, but not in the way you think. All right, first up, we've got one of the most critical and often misunderstood elements of attraction: confidence. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh, just act confident and she'll like me. But here's the twist. True confidence isn't about being arrogant or trying to impress others. It's about being genuinely comfortable in your own skin. But more importantly, it's about the way you project that comfort. It's subtle, and here's why it matters. Women are incredibly perceptive when it comes to reading social cues. If you're putting up a front, it's easy to spot. So instead of acting confident, focus on building authentic self-assurance, a calm, grounded energy that comes from knowing your worth without needing to shout about it. This means avoiding over-complimenting her or seeking validation. It's about being content with who you are and giving that energy off naturally. The psychological principle here: people are naturally drawn to those who seem unshakable and comfortable, which makes them feel safe and seen. And this is the foundation of attraction. Step 2, make her feel special, but not by complimenting her looks. Next up, we're talking about how to make her feel special. Now, I know many of you are thinking about showering her with compliments, telling her she's beautiful, or asking her to smile more. And while those things can be nice in moderation, they're not the secret to deep attraction. The key here is emotional connection. You want to make her feel like she's the only one in the room. The best way to do this is by actively listening to her and engaging in meaningful conversation. When she speaks, don't just nod or make small talk. Ask open-ended questions, really hear her, and show genuine interest in what she has to say. This signals something incredibly powerful to her. You value her opinion and the person she is beyond just her appearance. Studies show that when a woman feels heard, it triggers a sense of emotional safety, making her more likely to bond with you. But here's the kicker. Don't make her feel like you're just trying to get into her head. Be authentic, not just flattering. Step 3, create emotional tension, the art of mystery. Now we move on to something that many people don't talk about enough: emotional tension. Attraction is about the push and pull, the rise and fall of energy. Women, like men, are attracted to mystery. Here's the thing. If you're too easy to read or overly predictable, you'll become boring, and that's a huge turnoff. So what's the trick? Create emotional tension. This doesn't mean playing games or being manipulative, but rather making her wonder and get intrigued about who you really are. Use the power of anticipation. This can be done by leaving a little mystery in your conversations. For example, don't spill every detail about yourself at once. Share a little, then hold back, leaving her wanting to know more. Psychologically, this taps into the concept of curiosity, which is one of the strongest drivers of attraction. If she's intrigued, she'll be more likely to pursue you. Keep things exciting and make her feel like there's a lot more to discover. But be careful. Mystery is only effective if you've already established genuine emotional rapport. Step 4, demonstrate high value without being obnoxious. And now we come to the final step, demonstrating high value. But here's the thing, it's not about bragging or talking about how successful you are. High value isn't just about money or status. It's about showcasing your mindset and your life energy. High-value people aren't desperate for validation or approval from others, and they're comfortable in their own success, whether it's personal or professional. So how do you show this without being obnoxious? First, focus on your hobbies, passions, and the things that make you you. Share your genuine interest with her, but do it in a way that's not boastful. Also, be mindful of how you treat others. Women are highly perceptive when it comes to how men treat people in general. If you show respect, kindness, and empathy to everyone, she'll notice it, and that will elevate your status in her eyes. Remember, confidence combined with kindness is a lethal combination that screams high value without you ever having to A-way. Now, if you're following all of this, you might be thinking, okay, that sounds pretty straightforward, but what about when things go wrong? What happens when you don't click with someone right away? That's the question I'll answer in my next video. So make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell, because in my next video, I'll dive deep into what to do when things don't go as planned, how to handle rejection, stay composed, and turn failure into success. So there you have it, 4 powerful science-backed steps to make any girl instantly attracted to you. Master your inner confidence, make her feel truly special, create emotional tension, and demonstrate high value without being arrogant. Follow these steps, and you'll not only attract the girl you like, but you'll also become a more magnetic and confident person overall. Remember, attraction isn't about tricks or manipulation. It's about connection and genuine self-assurance. If you found this video valuable, drop a like, share it with a friend, and leave a comment below on which strategy you're most excited to try. Until next time, stay confident, stay authentic, and I'll see you in the next video.